I bet this is another one of them.
Playing you and from that.
Could be another calendar, isn't it?
Sarah,
Oh my gosh.
Mark, Sarah.
Slow down.
I don't want to say what I think it is, but I think I know what it is.
Oh gosh.
For Mark.
Thank you. What? Oh, that's a bottle opener.
Oh, nice.
Whoa.
Slide on one.
Yeah.
26 calendar.
Mark. For Sarah, from Anna.
Look.
For Sarah, from Anna.
This is a cover. It's rainbow. When you said yesterday.
I know, I love that. I
thought, well, that's something similar, but it's not
Yeah.
a Louis Vuitton one.
I
That's
love
at Bones Neck.
I
That'd
love
be
it.
Bones Neck.
I love that pattern, but I just never know where to
I
get
never
them from.
knew that it was a thing.
This style of like
Oh wow, what the gaming console.
and like the
I know where that's from.
it's like-
I've seen that before. I think it's from Castle Chocolates.
Thank you.
Tell him Mark where's see that chocolate bar before.
Yeah, Mark, just rubbish in there.
Well, that's not.
Was that for Mark, was it? Oh, that's a present for you, isn't it?
Well,
Put your
that's
presents,
just to carry
put your
his
presents
presents.
in.
We can put a polar bear.
Okay. Thanks.
It's so convenient. You sit next to a lemur.
Do you like stuff like that?
Let me.
I got that one for pickleball.
Alice in Wonderland and Blackpool. Oh, because I thought it was July, that would actually be June.
Ooh.
Ooh. Didn't Emma Farrell used to talk about that?
Yeah. Emma Farrell Heathland
Yeah.
used to lot of these.
Cool.
Oh.
The other one's a giraffe, I think. But that's more painting. Aye.
Oh, I
Have you done it?
I haven't done these for a while,
Oh,
so
there you go.
should be good to do on the side.
But that's that you guys started rebuilding.
The races.
So like season ticket holder goes down the game. So
That's lovely. In with
I
all
know
the
it's not
colours, Steve.
sage, but I thought, well, a darker colour and that'll
In
match it
without
out.
colours.
It'll start the sage collection.
Lovely. Thank you. But Richard's saying, oh, we need to get a blanket.
There you go.
Where are they from? Oh, two daft.
I actually went back to get you another one because I thought, I've just got two. I can't confuse it. I like that, I like
Yeah,
them.
they look good.
And they were sold out.
Oh, no.
There you go, that one's for you.
Oh, thank you.
For you, for Sarah. These for us, are they, Mark?
What?
This one for us, Mark and Anna.
Oh, yes, right.
Thank you. There you go, let you open that one.
Oh, that's nice. I'm well jealous of you. Actually, something similar, but it's not. But it's actually smashed, so I need another one. Hey, another one to put on my tree before Christmas is out.
The gym, shimmer, really.
Shimmer.
It's got like, look, it's got
And I got Ice Age on the TV.
You're
Good, I've seen that before, man.
Thank you, Mark.
Yeah, I just came across it when I was in B&M, and I thought, oh, that might be a nice to have.
The thing is, shimmer, berry, gin liqueur.
Chocolate from Castle Chocolates, eh? One for me, eh? I use lip gloss when I do the lipstick. I use lip gloss when I do the lipstick. Apparently they don't do the lip gloss.
If we can sort out a date, we could maybe,
Yeah,
we could
I got told
maybe
not
combine, we could maybe
Remember,
combine.
he was talking about Six by Nico and how they had the,
Oh gosh, oh
what
gosh.
was it? Did you say something, there was an offer or something, and I'm saying, oh, you should get one.
What in the world?
And he was like, well, I didn't know, he actually was the worst communicator, your dad. He hadn't told me, so of course I'm like, but no, he's already got
It's actually my favourite colour as well. It's actually my favourite. It's
You
actually my
haven't got
favourite.
it, have you?
What?
You haven't got it already, have you?
No, but it's actually my favourite colour.
Oh.
What's my favourite colour?
The books, that'll keep us going.
Well, it did give me some hints. So
Heavy one, Sarah, thank you.
I like these bags.
Oh my
Sarah, where did you get them
God.
from?
what? So it's
These
just,
bags that you put the gifts in, nice.
I managed to get a lot of stuff from. You can get them off Amazon or Temu.
Oh, they're really good, aren't they?
Because I can't be bothered with wrapping paper now. Because you know
Oh,
how
they're perfect.
shit my wrapping is.
That's gorgeous scarf, Sarah. That,
I love this. This is actually one of my favourite scarves now.
you really topped that, actually.
Yeah, it's
It's obviously
Not big,
usually.
I put this in with my brown coat.
Oh, lovely.
I might bring it to the college when I go back in the new year.
Yeah, you've got new winter outfits now, haven't you? Your new jacket, your new scarf.
Yeah, the thing about that long coat is
That
it
was your
could go with anything. It could go with anything. So is this mine as well?
Yeah.
I need to pop with them. This is really big in Oh my god.
What?
It's a VR set. Oh god. I thought you got me on Tekken, but Tekken 7. What's this now? G. Was it?
Yeah.
Going to sport.
I've no idea if they'll work because the codes are just, I might try it again. So it's like,
I might go around to my room like a madhouse going meow with a VR set.
right.
So you've got a VR set?
Yep, a
That's
VR
what it is.
set.
Oh my god.
It's a VR set.
What do you need to play with it? Do you need a PS4?
You need controllers. I've got my PS4. I've got PS4.
So just leave it in the box
And
inside.
but also it's on PS5, so I'm like,
Yeah.
those controllers I go with. I did VR before these ones.
Is it scary? I've never done VR before.
It can be a bit scary.
Yeah.
Remember that I wanted Mark to do Doctor Who with the Weeping Angels VR, but they wouldn't want to space the Weeping Angels in the VR world.
Well, I have done a couple of gaming walkthroughs for Heathlands on VR.
That's good. What games did you do?
Right,
Mo-
so
mo-
just
most
leave it in the box,
recently,
yeah.
I did The Walking Dead on VR.
That's scary.
Yeah, it is quite scary.
I don't think I'd like that.
Don't know if I could do it. Not in VR.
Didn't you have a few good scares?
Oh yeah, I had a
We did a demo of Kingdom Hearts VR, didn't
Do you
we?
want these?
Yeah.
Do you want this or not?
Oh yeah, well,
help on all the work,
I
on
don't
how to
think
set
I've
this up. I
like
can
Yeah, I might need some help to
well.
set it up and make sure it all works. It was just from second hand from eBay sellers, so we just need to make sure it all works. Yeah,
Well, I get my consoles second hand anyways.
yeah, so just to, maybe Mark can help you set it up sometime.
I'm gonna put them games inside the box then.
Yeah, the game, I don't know if the games will work because they're coded, so I'll get you a game if you need one.
So what have you played VR?
Fruit Ninja, a demo Kingdom Hearts.
Okay, they're quite nice games though, aren't they?
Yeah, I did. I think it's VR Worlds, and I got Mark to do one of them worlds, and I ended up hoisting him out into a shark cage with the shark coming right at him.
Good. There we go. To Mark from question mark.
Oh, is this the Secret Santa?
Yeah.